Hello, my name is Nicole Sherrard. I am a graduate student at the University of New England enrolled in the Applied Nutrition program. The research I am presenting on today is titled Skipping Meals Compared to Eating Less to Lose Weight in Obese Adolescents aged 16 to 19, and it is for APN 775 Advanced Nutrition Research. The rates of obesity in children and adolescents doubled in the last 3 decades, resulting in numbers reaching epidemic levels. Early action against obesity in adolescents is pivotal to reverse the condition and its persistence into adulthood, at which point it becomes more difficult to treat. Dietary patterns, which could include skipping meals and eating less, may be a more significant predictor of obesity than single foods or nutrients consumed. The escalation of obesity in the United States coincides with an increase in the prevalence of irregular dietary patterns. Dietary patterns generally develop in adolescence and persist into adulthood. Though research shows that those who skip meals tend to compensate for missed calories later by consuming excess energy and have overall poor nutrition. However, consuming nutrition regularly throughout the day in consistent amounts may influence physiological function that could help prevent obesity. Therefore, the specific aim of my research was to determine if there is an association between skipping meals and obesity, defined as a BMI equal to or over 30 in adolescents ages 16 to 19, compared to eating less to lose weight based on NHANES data sets from 2015 to 2016. The confounding variables of gender, race, Hispanic origin, and annual household income were controlled to assess the probability of obesity in adolescents. My specific objectives were: one, to analyze independent variables, skipped meals, and ate less to lose weight, and dependent variable obesity from NHANES datasets using a chi-square test of independence to determine if there is an association between the two in adolescents aged 16 to 19. My second objective was to analyze confounding demographic variables, gender, race, Hispanic origin, and annual household income from NHANES datasets using multi-nominal logistic regression analysis to determine the independent effects of each on obesity rates. This was a cross-sectional research study of secondary analysis quantitative data from the 2015 to 2016 National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey. Data sets accessed from the NHANES websites include questionnaire data with specific data codes being skipped meals and ate less to lose weight, examination data sets with specific codes being BMI category children youth, and demographic data sets with specific data codes being gender, race, Hispanic origin, annual household income, and age in years at screening. The chi-square test of independence was used to assess the association between the independent variables, skipped meals or ate less to lose weight, and the dependent variable obesity in adolescents aged 16 to 19. This analysis allowed a comparison of obesity rates among those who skipped meals to lose weight compared to those who ate less to lose weight. The multi-nominal logistic regression analysis was calculated as a relative risk ratio to control for potential confounding variables: gender, race, Hispanic origin, and annual household income, to assess the independent effects of meal skipping and ate less on obesity. They were isolated to assess the probability of obesity in adolescents. Data sets were imported from NHANES to statistical software analysis program Stata, where select codebooks were isolated. Data was then exported to Excel to be merged. Missing data was excluded, and participants who were not 16 to 19 were also excluded. Data was then uploaded back to Stata for statistical analysis. This is a screenshot of my actual data uploaded to Stata. Results showed that there were a total of 570 participants who participated in the 2015 to 16 NHANES data collection that reported trying to lose weight in the past year. Of those 570 participants, 53 skipped meals to lose weight, which was 9.3%, and 109 ate less to lose weight, which was 19%. In the first chart, you can see I divided BMI categories into underweight, normal weight, and then overweight and obese to total 100%. The first table is reflected of skipped meals to lose weight. There were 28.3%, which totaled 15 participants in the underweight, normal weight category who skipped meals to lose weight. And then the same 28.3%, 15 participants who were overweight who skipped meals to lose weight. And then you can see an increase to 43.4%, which would be 23 participants who skipped meals to lose weight. In the second table, ate less to lose weight, you can see there was 19.7% or 21 participants of underweight, normal weight status who ate less to lose weight. And then 33.94% or 37 participants who were overweight that ate less to lose weight. And then again, it jumps up to 46.79% or 51 participants who were obese that ate less to lose weight. So this showed us that there was a significant association between eating less to lose weight and being obese, as well as skipping meals and being obese compared to those who were of an underweight or normal weight status and overweight status in adolescents aged 16 to 19 with a p-value under 0.001 for both categories based on the chi-square test of independence. The multinomial logistic regression analysis showed that those who ate less to lose weight had 6.45 and 9.7 times higher odds of being overweight and obese compared to underweight normal weight, which was significant at a p-value of under 0.000. Those who skipped meals had 1.38 and 2.58 times higher odds of being overweight and obese compared to underweight normal weight, which was statistically significant for the obese category only at 0.031 and not the overweight category. My conclusion of the research was that skipping meals and eating less to lose weight is not likely an effective weight loss method for those who are overweight or obese. Demographic variables do not change the association for eating less, but do for skipping meals. Thank you for attending my research presentation, and please find references on the preceding pages.